Hey teachers, it's Miss Kayla with another 60-second lesson. Today we are opening up a fraction donut shop to explore fractions using real donuts. Here's what you'll need. Real donuts, plain or frosted, a plastic or butter knife, the fraction circles worksheet from Super Teacher Worksheets. First, give each student or group a donut and the fraction circles worksheet. Have students carefully cut their donut in half and place each half on top of the circle divided into two parts. Ask them, what fraction does each piece represent? Next, cut another donut into 4 equal pieces. Place each piece onto the circle divided into fourths on the worksheet. Ask which pieces are smaller, halves or fourths. If you have more donuts, try cutting them into thirds or eighths and match them to the correct circles on the worksheet. Quick math talk. If I eat one piece, what fraction is left? How many pieces make a whole donut? Hands-on math with a delicious twist. See you next time for another episode of 60-Second Lessons.